There is no doubt that we all love Google and all its product line. Google understands us and our needs in the best way possible. Google has given us so easy-to-use products. There is no day in our lives when we are not using at least one Google product. It's almost like the users are part of a Google ecosystem, and that very ecosystem is tracking every possible move of its users. Some of the things users are concerned about are privacy concerns with Google tracking and its high consumption of CPU and RAM compared to other browsers. With that being said, in this video, we will be checking out browser alternatives that are safe compared to Google Chrome. Welcome to WeGotMedia. We are a multimedia agency that offers professional services and training in all areas of digital media such as graphic design, video production, audio production, and digital marketing. This channel is dedicated in providing free informational tips and easy tutorials on how to make digital content using various software in the digital media space. Number 1. Brave. Brave is a relatively recent Chromium-based privacy browser that packs quite a punch. It's lightweight but offers a bunch of features, including a built-in ad blocker, a password manager, tracking protection, a script blocker, and one-click anti-fingerprinting functionality. The Brave browser also can automatically upgrade your connection to HTTPS. Some of the features of Brave are: 1. It has a powerful ad blocking system. 2. It has a fingerprinting prevention system. 3. It controls cookies like a pro. 4. It has per-site shield settings. Number 2. Vivaldi. Vivaldi lets users choose their default search engine and a wide array of other privacy and security settings. You can, for example, set different default search engines for when you're using the regular and private browsing modes, and create different security settings for both of those search engines. Some of the features of Vivaldi are: 1. The Vivaldi web browser is intended to be a customizable and fully featured browser that doesn't need extensions. 2. Vivaldi collects little data on its users and doesn't sell the data it does collect to third parties. 3. Vivaldi is a Chromium-based browser and will therefore work with most extensions in the Chrome Web Store. 4. It doesn't use much RAM and CPU space. Number 3. Mozilla Firefox. Firefox is a convenient, fast and lightweight browser. Moreover, it is the only mainstream open-source browser, and its code has been thoroughly researched and scrutinized by the community. Firefox is also quite secure. Like other major market players, it offers a private browsing mode that includes tracking, malware and phishing protection, pop-up blocking, and anti-fingerprinting protection. Some of the features of Mozilla Firefox are: 1. Mozilla doesn't collect as much data on its users as Google, and dissociates activity from user identities. 2. Firefox will block trackers and fingerprinting activities by default. 3. Firefox can be augmented with extra tools from its add-on library, but occasionally faces compatibility problems with some. 4. Firefox performance is fast enough for everyday use, but many other browsers use less RAM. Number 4. Tor. Tor is arguably the best-known privacy-focused browser. It prevents unauthorized snooping with the help of its built-in hidden relay servers, comes with pre-configured security features, and can run from a USB flash drive. Some of the features of Tor are: 1. Browsing through Tor will encrypt your web traffic and conceal your IP address from every website you visit. 2. Since the Tor network consists of anonymous, volunteer nodes, some Tor nodes are operated by cybercriminals, while others are managed by law enforcement agents. 3. The exit node is the most likely place for encountering cyber threats and having your privacy compromised. Number 5. Puffin. Puffin browser is a popular private browser with a strong reputation. What sets it apart from some other browsers is how it actually renders web pages. Puffin does it a little differently. They are a cloud-based browser, That makes it easier to protect yourself against malware, since Puffin is standing between you and the internet. Some of the features of Puffin are: 1. Puffin's security model mitigates the damage done by cyber threats because the sites aren't loaded on the user's device. 2. Puffin's desktop version requires a subscription to use, but there is a free version for mobile. 3. Puffin is not compatible with extensions in the Google Play Store, nor does it have its own extensions. Number 6. Waterfox. Waterfox is more privacy-focused than Firefox. It offers tracking protection and removes many Firefox features that decrease users' privacy, such as pocket, telemetry, data collection, and startup profiling. It is also able to erase all online data on your system without the use of add-ons. Some of the features of Waterfox are: 1. It has no telemetry. Waterfox does not collect any telemetry, meaning you do not have to worry about any tracking or usage information about what you do inside your browser. 2. It has limited data collection on its users. 3. It has Napapi plugins. 4. Waterfox has Bootstrapped add-ons. Number 7. Epic. Epic takes privacy seriously, delivering on their promise of extreme privacy like no autosyncing, no spellcheck, no autofill, no plugins, etc. It also does not store your browsing history, login data, databases, and other info. It does not cache your browsing data and does not save links for the autosuggestion when typing in an address. The browser also blocks RTC calls, which might reveal your IP address. Some of the features of Epic are: 1. It doesn't create user profiles and does not show personalized ads like Google. 2. It automatically sends you to the HTTPS version of every website. 3. Its search results are unfiltered and not based on your past activities. 4. It has VPN-like encrypted proxy servers. Number 8. Opera. Opera runs on the Chromium system and boasts a variety of security features to make your web browsing experience safer, such as fraud and malware protection, as well as script blocking. Moreover, it offers updates every 4 or 5 weeks. It also offers free VPN service. Some of the features of Opera are: 1. Similar to Chrome, Opera has lots of built-in features. 2. Opera also has multiple mobile versions. 3. It is anonymous and easily syncs with devices. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel for more informational videos related to the media industry. See you in the next video.